In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio on Behance. First, open your web browser and go to Behance. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in. If you're new, you'll be prompted to sign up before you can publish. Starting signed in ensures everything you create is saved to your profile as you work. On the Behance homepage, look for the Share Your Work button, usually at the top right. Click that to begin. This takes you to options for showcasing your creative work. Since we're building a portfolio piece, choose Project. A Behance project is a polish page that can include images, text, videos, embeds, and more, and it's the core format people browse when they view your portfolio. You'll now be in the project editor, where you can start building your portfolio. Think of this space as a series of content blocks you can stack and arrange to tell a clear visual story. Use the Add Content controls to insert high-quality images, text descriptions, photo grids, audio, or video. If you're pulling content from other platforms, use the Embed option to include media like videos or interactive content. If you edit photos in Lightroom, you can connect and import directly. For UI and UX work, add a prototype to show flows or interactions. And if you work in 3D, you can include 3D elements to showcase models and renders. As you add content, keep it clean and intentional. Start with a strong hero image and a concise intro paragraph that explains the project or collection. Use headings to break sections and keep text scannable. Maintain consistent image sizes when possible, and consider a photo grid to present multiple shots without overwhelming the viewer. Brief captions can add useful context like tools used, challenges solved, or the role you played, without turning the page into a wall of text. When you're ready to include supporting files, go to Attach Assets. This is where you can upload source files or additional materials related to the project. Use clear file names and include only work you have the rights to share. This section is helpful if you want clients or collaborators to access assets after viewing your project. With everything in place, review the layout from top to bottom. Check spacing, spelling, and the order of sections to ensure the flow makes sense. When it looks good, click Continue and go ahead to publish. Your portfolio project is now live and ready to be seen by others on Behance. You can always return to edit, add more projects, and refine your presentation over time.